damn, that was a long fucking day.
Yeah. At least we got it all done today, though.
Yeah, I wasn't trying to pay for another day on that barge.
Mm-hmm.
I need a drink. Is anybody here?
I think you have to go up there in order. I don't think they come to the table.
No, I'm pretty sure they walk over. Well, okay then. Can I have a chicken tender meal, a large fry, a large Coke, extra ice? Hey, Mark. What do you want? I know it's shitty, but I owe you a meal anyway.
I'll just have an unsweet tea.
What? Come on, have some chicken or something.
I'm good.
He'll have a large unsweet tea and a chicken tender meal. Whoa, whoa, it's okay. It's all good.
Did I crash on the couch again tonight?
Man, is Adrian still not letting you into the apartment? That's fucked. You can do so much better. She's so fucking high maintenance, demanding every minute you got. Nobody has time for that extra shit. Honestly, I should have told you from the beginning. Adrian's a fucking cunt.
Adrian is not a cunt. I am. Don't talk like that about her.
Okay, man, sorry.
It's fine.
Can I have a refill?